Alright, this is 805 Royal Drive, Largo. And this is post-jet. Huge difference. Now it's holding just a very, very, very small amount of water. But you can see how much nicer the pipe is, how it's all round. Big, 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 big difference. Looks like a different pipe. See a couple tiny little flakes in there. It's going to be our double Y at the end. So it came out awesome. Come here, look at this, man. It looks freaking awesome, buddy.
Just a little bit of the jetting?
Well, I had to run a honing machine through there first.
Okay.
And then I hit it with a jetter. Look at it now.
Oh, is it holding? I guess we play with it's not holding much water.
No, that's nothing.
It was underwater before.
Look how nice and pretty and round it is now.
So you put basically just a reamer through it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
I took a video before, and then this is the after one. Look how beautiful that is, man. I mean, you may not know, but for cast iron, that looks freaking awesome, buddy.
Wow. All right, that's
spot
heard all day.
There's a spot back here that's still holding a little bit of water, right where you were saying.
Yeah.
I'll show you. We're getting to it. But this was, remember before, this was all jagged, you know, it looked terrible.
We couldn't tell. The camera couldn't
even see if the pipe
that's
was broken.
That's right in that area.
So there's a tiny bit of channeling, but look, there's no cracks, there's no dirt, there's no roots.
So we're going to be in business.
I think you're going to be okay. You're going to want to make sure in that master bathroom you put a pressure assist toilet in there.
Pressure assist?
I would, if it was my house.
I've never even heard of what that is.
Yeah, okay. I'll tell you. I don't sell toilets, but the plumbers can do it for you. This is right in your. This was the bad area. See how nice and beautiful and round it is? It looks really good. It looks a million times better than it did.
Oh yeah, yeah. I remember looking at the video. I was just disgusted.
I'm gonna send you a before and after video. So you got a tiny little bit of channeling here, but
this is not bad.
No, it's not, man.
Before it was like the camera was completely underwater. Now you can see the watermark.
You can see where the water line was, yeah. So I mean, it did its job in here. You can see it's on a little bit of water here.
Yeah, whereabouts is that?
That's only 8 feet from right here.
So that's right.
But my camera is only this big, so you're only talking like this much water. Not even that much. I'll show you when I pull the camera out. It's right at that combo where something comes in from the front
side. So 8 feet is right there in the bathroom.
Yep. It's where that toilet comes in. But look at this. That's beautiful, man.
And then it stops holding water.
It's holding just a tiny, tiny bit, but look at the front of the camera. All right, I'm going to conclude this video.